Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain you how to automate a TradingView strategy using our scalper. So first open our scalper and enable TradingView signals strategy. Okay. Here we have a lot of options: CE buy, PE buy, exit, exit CE, exit PE, CE sell, PE sell, etc. Okay. Here I'm going to select PE buy. Okay. Copy to clipboard. So first, if you want to place order when the price goes above this level, okay, for example, right click, add alert, and paste our script. Okay, here the strike is ITM. It will automatically select ITM put option, and side is buy. Okay, it will place buy order, quantity 10 lot. Next, crossing or greater than 23,600. Okay, 23,600. I will place PE order. Okay. Once the order is placed, I will exit at this level. Okay. So right click, add alert, greater than, crossing. So remove all except token and side. Exit. Okay. This will exit the order. The price goes above 23,612. Okay. And my target. Here is our target. Okay. 23,509. So right click, 23,519. Add alert. Remove all except token and side. Okay. Under side you should type exit. So we have added our entry and SL and exit. Okay. I shall move this line. Okay. Here I have added a webhook URL. Okay. You should add this URL under webhook URL. Okay. You must have a TradingView paid plans in order to do this. Let's move a little more. Okay, alert is triggered. Let's see, the order is placed, right? 200 quantity. Now we have entered and our SL is at this price. We shall move our SL. Okay, like this. Okay, our stop loss got hit and order is exited. This is how to place order and stop loss, target, etc. Okay, next I will show you how to automate an indicator. Okay, let's add an indicator, EMA. Change the time frame to 1 minute. Okay, here whenever the price goes above this EMA, I will place put option. Okay, click the indicator. Okay, and add alert on EMA. So here I am going to place if the price crossing up the value, not value, it's EMA. Okay, 9 EMA. Whenever the price goes above 9 EMA, I want to place order. Okay, here ITMP quantity 10. Price goes above this 9 EMA, I will place order. Okay, okay, the price is already crossed above the EMA, so order is placed. You can see the order here. Let's add on more EMA. So if it touches the 20 EMA, I will exit the order. Okay, price goes up EMA 20, I will exit the order. Okay, I mean exit, sorry, remove all except token and side, and here C exit. Okay, exit P. Okay, I'm going to exit P. And if it goes above 20, it's already triggered. I think it's already closed and closing above. So instead of closing up, I am greater than. Okay, greater than here. Order got exited.